Hey guys, it's Rachel with Pretty in Plants. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. I missed y'all. I'm so glad you're back. Today I'm gonna be giving a lot of things away. I'm cleaning out the attic. I'm cleaning out the closets, and I am totally doing the Maria Kondo thing, Kayando, whatever her name is, in my house. And in doing that, I'm going to be giving away some pots, some fertilizer, all kinds of things. So if that sounds like fun to you, stay tuned. Okay, so today's gonna be a quiz show. So probably the more episodes of mine you've watched, the better you're gonna do at the quiz show. Only one award or prize per person. And then definitely I'm gonna put my Instagram above. Sign up for my Instagram because you're not gonna put your answers in the comments below. You're gonna DM me on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, I'll put my email down below, and that will be the only thing in the show notes. I don't wanna give any clues or hints away in my show notes because you'll have to look through other videos or other show notes to find some of the answers to the quiz show. So let's get started. Okay, so also I want to know what plant you got for Christmas, if you got a plant. If you got any cool planty Christmas gifts, I want to show y'all. I got one. I thought this was so cute, a little propagation station, very different from the norm. And then another friend of mine gave me a pin that is monogrammed or inscribed, and it says Pretty in Plants, which I thought was really cute. Okay, so now I want to give y'all gifts. I've missed y'all, and I'm looking forward to 2021 being full of new, fresh, lush greenery plants put into LECA. I don't know about y'all, but this winter my plants have been very needy. Nobody has gone dormant. Nobody has stopped growing. Everyone has been thirsty, and I don't know if it's because my plants have gotten bigger this year or what's going on, but they have required quite a bit of attention this year, and maybe because they're bigger. Let's get started with the first thing that I have. A few of these in my attic. They're mostly black, and it's my favorite pot that I like to use for my plants in LECA. What website? Now don't say it out loud, someone might hear you. Go to my Instagram, DM me, email me. Now when you DM me, put your name and your address in case you win the prize and your answer. Okay, what is the name of the website where I get my planters that I love so much? Now I have a few planters, so whoever answers this, it'll probably be 4 or 5 people that will receive 1 or 2 pots from me in the mail. Now if you're international, and I'm gonna name a lot of things, so you may wanna wait till the end of the show to decide which one you wanna answer about. Wait to hear, because you may want something else more. If you're international and the item you're going for is kind of large, I may send you a consolation prize. Okay, number 2 item. I have been really missing doing plant swaps. So I thought I would do a plant giveaway of plants that I was hoping to swap. So number 1 plant, and you're going to put number 1 if this is going to be your answer, because I have 2 plants I'm going to be doing. What is this plant? I have been growing it in my fish water. I only am giving you 1 leaf, and I have a feeling, I know my Instagram friend from Southern California knows the answer to this one. And if you get it correctly, I have 2 or 3 of these, and I will be sending you this cutting. Plant number 2, mystery plant number 2, is one of my favorites. And I just cut it. I'll show you how it's growing. What is that? So I had this one on my kind of shelf behind me for months and months on the show. Let me know in the comments too if you like the new music. So I changed it up a little bit. Number 3 item on the quiz show. What do I like to Now, these next few items I don't have in my attic. I'm actually going to drop ship them from Amazon. This is so fun. Okay, what do I like to dust my plants with or clean my plants with? And this item, it's not a rag. Okay, if you get the answer correct to this, I have 2 of these and I will be sending them out. Okay, the next item on the list is, it's such a cool item. Okay, so this is a plant luxury, and you put your leca down in there and pour it in, but it like squeezes. So when you squeeze and pour, you can get actually almost like a really fine tip, so you don't get the leca everywhere. What is the name of that item? I'm going to hide the brand. What is the brand of my favorite plant sprayer? What is the brand of my favorite? And if you get that correct, I will send you one of those. Okay. I'm really sorry for people. This is your first time to the program. I think you can still win if you do a little bit of sleuthing on my Instagram and on my other shows. Favorite killer for mites, mealybugs, and insects. So if I bring a plant home and it has something on it, what do I like to completely spray it down with before I bring it in the house? If you know the answer to that, the bottle is gray. What is my favorite plant food for plants in LECA? I like to use a plant food that is only 1 part. I don't measure the parts per million, and this particular plant food, it's 1 teaspoon per gallon, 1 part. My plants have been in LECA for over a year now, and they are thriving. So, what is the name of my nutrient system that I like to use? If you know the answer to this, definitely email me or Instagram me for the prize of a bottle of this. This item is something that I put in a spray bottle. I like to spray it, or I put drops. You measure it with drops. It takes very little of this, but it helps boost the plant's vitality, and it helps it transfer better from dirt to LECA. And the bottle is little, it's about that big. So if you know the answer to that one and you want that bottle, put it in the Instagram that I have above, or go ahead and email me the answer with your name and your address. There's one more thing. This last quiz question, I want to do this last one because I love this item so much, and it is a plant luxury. You don't have to have it. If you transfer your plant and it's not shooting out roots fast enough in a place that's humid and has plenty of light and is blank, so there is something you can purchase that will help your plant adapt better and transfer more happily if it is sitting on one of these. I don't want to give away too much more than that, but if you guess the then you can have one of those. So that quiz question would be the 3 things that once you transfer a plant into LECA, they need humidity, light, and if you put the 3rd thing in there and you're the first person to do that, I will send you this gift. So those are all the things I want to give away today. I'm really excited about this quiz show. It's not a big show today, but you have a chance to start off your plant year right, and get ready for that Thai constellation to come in the front door and have all the tools to transfer your Thai safely and happily into LECA. So let's get sleuthing, everyone. Okay, so my battery died there for a second. I will be sharing the answers next week and tips for LECA success. The one thing I didn't give away was LECA, but I think that's okay. So next week I'll give y'all tips and tricks for LECA success, and we'll be back on the road to doing a video every week. Can't wait to see you then. Good luck, everybody. Bye-bye.